Good morning, my name is Scott Roberton, and today I'm going to walk you through the 35-meter Revolution Ocean Alexander. So as we make our way onto the vessel itself, we've got a hydraulic swim platform that goes the entire width of the boat. With this platform being as wide as it is, you could actually put 2 jet skis on here, or you could do 1 hard bottom inflatable. As you're lowering the platform down into the water, these stairs here, what they'll do is start to separate so you can walk from this area here down those stairs to the swim platform. So just forward of this, we have 2 doors that open up to walk you into your beach club. You'll notice we got 1 large window over the top of the beach club here. When you are sitting in the aft deck, you'll notice you can see through this large window and straight out the back. This is a real nice sitting area here with L shape. You got a bar here with refrigeration and ice maker. So just forward of the beach club area here, you're gonna have a day head with a shower. One unique feature that we designed into this boat is a gym, and you also have a sauna. So the sauna itself, you can see right inside there how large that is. But in the gym itself here, you've got an echelon workout program to give you different exercises. You can also put a treadmill in here, a couple other different options that you can do for exercise equipment. As you make your way across, this is a workshop for the captain and the crew. You're gonna see your entire Atlas system here, so you can have power anywhere in the world you wanna go. We also have a washer and dryer down here, gives great access to the beach club as well as the gym. We also have additional washer and dryers in the crew area, which is forward on this boat. This door here gives you access into the engine room. The boat is equipped with twin MTU 2600 engines, as well as 2 55 kW generators. This boat is equipped with 0-speed stabilization, as well as a headhunter treatment system. All right, we're gonna make our way up to the aft deck of this 35-meter Revolution. You're gonna notice right off the bat is that the seating here is turned the other way. So this way, everyone actually, when they're enjoying looking out to the water, it's U-shaped seating this way. When we were in the beach club earlier, I mentioned this huge window. It's over the top of the beach club. When you are sitting here and looking through, you can see the water when you're anchored out. This area is also equipped with ice maker and refrigeration. As we make our way forward, it's gonna have direct access into your salon. I'm walking into the 35-meter Revolution Salon now, and you'll notice how spacious this area is. We're just over a 25-foot beam. So again, in this yacht, we have floor-to-ceiling windows all the way through. We have Patrono-Frau furniture, L-shaped couch, again with deep seating, and then these 2 individual Patrono-Frau chairs as well. Over here on your starboard side, we got refrigeration and storage, as well as an integrated sink into this cabinet. And just overhead is a drop-down television, a 55-inch, that sits right about here, and then this area across the salon can all have great viewing of it. So hull number 6 that we're on is the Novus Mist interior, which is a high gloss gray, but we're accented with our wood flooring in a gray with marble inserts as well. You can see the dining room table is equipped for 10, because this again is a 5-stateroom yacht with an on-deck master and 4 staterooms below. But before we show you the staterooms, we're gonna make our way into this oversized galley. This galley is almost full beam, but over on this side is an access door for the crew to bring provisions into this actual galley. As you make your way into this area, we have a full walk-in pantry. We have a full freezer as well as a full refrigerator, and then we also have a pull-out pantry here as well. This galley's really set up for a chef's dream to prepare anything they want to do. We've got great areas for plating, but just a lot of room and very spacious in here. Here we are walking into the master stateroom. In the middle here, of course, is the king-size bed. In the master bedroom, there are 2 closets. Both are walk-in and they're identical. So you have drawers, but the nice part is you have a place for all your watches and jewelry to go. You can put your watches right on here, and you got a display piece, just like it is in a jewelry store. You can see back here, we got drawers here as well as places to store things up top. The port and starboard sides offer really large windows, almost floor to ceiling, to bring a lot of natural light into this cabin. We also did recessed lighting here above the bed. Just forward is the master head. So as you come in, you're gonna see in hull number 6 here, we changed up some of the cabinetry, and we did kind of an L-shaped sink area for one side and the exact for the other. And then we did a toilet headed here and we also did one on the port side as well. In the middle of this area, you're gonna see an oversized walk-in shower, as well as a jacuzzi type tub. As we make our way out of the master, I wanna point out the day head on the main salon level here. We also have a second day head up on the Sky Lounge. As we move back toward the salon, you're gonna notice this is our stairwell to take us to the Sky Lounge, but first we're gonna access the stairs to the lower 4 staterooms. We're making our way down to the lower lobby area where the 4 staterooms for the guest. In the aft of this area are your 2 main VIPs. These 2 rooms are rather identical. The starboard side, you're gonna have oversized queen to a king size bed in here, plenty of closet space, but also just that behind this room is gonna be your separate walk-in shower and head. In the lower lobby area, we have a refrigerator here for the guests for water. We also have a nice washer and dryer in this area as well. Behind this cabinet is storage, but the crew, for access down here to service the rooms, we integrated behind this wall here, access for the crew to come into these rooms and service them, break them down, and then as we make our way inside, we're gonna have 2 more washer and dryers in here. So washer dryer here, additional refrigeration and freezer space as well. We have 4 sets of this. So the lounge area for the crew is really a nice size. You can see the seating area here. They have refrigeration, they've got a microwave. This area is really set up well for them. But the nice part is they have direct access to the galley from here as well. The first stateroom we come down here in the crew's quarters is the captain's room. The captain has his own little desk area here, nice sized bed, but his own separate head and shower in here. So just forward of the captain's quarters is 2 identical rooms that can hold 2 crew members in each room. You've got great closet space, but also each of these rooms will have its own separate head and shower. So down here we have a total of 3 heads and separate showers. All right, we're making our way back from the lower staterooms up to the salon and dining area, but now we're gonna take you up to the Sky Lounge. You're gonna notice right away just the enormous amount of space and room that this area offers. Behind the bar here on the 35 meter, you've got ice maker, refrigeration, great cabinets for storage. Behind us, as we mentioned, great glassware, but you got 4 bar stools here as well. As we make our way over here to the port side, we added a window here, this being hull number 6. Just as you're sitting in this couch and you're looking forward, you got a little bit more visibility going up front. Awesome area for watching movies, TV, relaxing. You've got this L-shaped couch here, large television with 2 chairs as well. We also added a nice card table here in the corner of the Sky Lounge. But now we're gonna make our way to the Helm area. But on our way to that area, you're gonna notice, as mentioned before, there's another day head up here as well. This is a Helm area that's got a lot of room. It's got a desk for the captain. You've got 3 chairs in here, all got the diamond stitching. All of them have the Ocean Alexander emblem in it. But you can see the dash here is all carbon fiber. We got hydraulic bow and stern thrusters. Again, we got hydraulic stabilization with 0 speed. We have MTU 2600 motors, and then we got twin 55 kW generators. So you have the 3 32-inch screens here at the helm, and then just behind the helm chairs is a desk for the captain where he can do his logging of his trips, he can create his trips. As you make your way out the back area, again, we got an electric door here. This flybridge outdoor area is equipped with a round table here for 10 guests. Over here on the port side, we got a full working bar with refrigeration and an ice maker. And then just after this area, we got 2 L-shaped couches. Both these couches, you can actually move them and stack them on top of each other. And then we equipped this area with a davit. So if you didn't want to just use your swim platform on the back for your tender, you could also use this area up here for your hard bottom inflatable or even jet skis. The area we're going to go see next is the sun deck, and we're going to access it with this stairwell right here. From the flybridge up to the sun deck, you're going to notice that on this particular hull, what we've done is we increased this flybridge area. So we've extended this deck on hull number 6, which has allowed us to create additional sunbathing areas with these sun pads back behind the hot tub. You're gonna first notice how large this hot tub is. Very comfortable for 6 to 8 people. Then we've also given it, for safety purposes, the owners and crew and guests, they can access this entire area by walking around the backside of these sun pads. Just forward of the hot tub, you have a walk-behind bar here with 4 comfortable bar stools. Again, this area is equipped with a refrigeration as well as an ice maker. So we have 2 lounging couches here. One of the nice features they've done is, if everyone's kind of facing this way, you can sit with the backrest like this, but they've also equipped it where you can easily just push them this way. And when you're running, if you want to sit up here and look forward, you got the ability to do that on this couch as well as that one. We are on the bow now of the 35R. And the first thing you're going to notice is the U-shaped seating that we have in this area. We also have the ability to put up carbon fiber poles and do a complete awning for shade. Just forward of this area is an enormous sized sun pad. The sun pad area can be set up in a number of ways. We have the ability here to have 4 recliners going across. There's 2 showing as an example facing forward, and then these 2 back here are facing the opposite direction. So as you make your way from the bow, you have this enormous walkway around the sides. Just have to mention the height of this, how easy it is to grab onto these handles at this level and for feeling secure as people are moving around the boat, but also the width you have here, not only for the guests and the owners, but also for the crew. And also as you're dragging fenders on these areas. It's just a really nice wide walk space. Thank you very much for taking the time today to walk through the Ocean Alexander 35-meter Revolution. If you happen to have any questions on anything you've seen through this walkthrough, or you'd like to experience the boat in person, please reach out to me. Again, my name is Scott Roberton at 727-638-7890.